How to enable mobile gaming option on TikTok Live. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on plus button at the bottom. Simply click on plus button and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At bottom, you'll find live option beside template. It is only available if you have 1K followers or more than 1K followers. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you click on live and you'll find mobile gaming and then click on go live and you'll find all the games you want to add. After adding, you'll simply go live on TikTok with mobile gaming. And this is how to enable mobile gaming option on TikTok Live. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.